I have with me today the honey badger. He's a fierce advocate, a force to be reckoned with. And he's going to share with you the way to build the 4 bridges of advocacy. And as you can see, he's got a construction helmet on and outfit. He's all ready to do the work of being an advocate and building those bridges. The first bridge is a bridge of trust. And trust means this, that our words and actions are congruent and they have integrity. The things we say, we actually do those things. And if we ask for a day off work just to watch the Lions football team play every Sunday, we probably don't have integrity. But if we have a real need, we've been working many hours, we ask for a day off due to mental stress and being overwhelmed, we're going to be advocating for a real need and people are going to trust us. Number 2, we build a bridge of communication. We communicate our needs. We use the 3 C's of a cat that I mentioned in the previous video. We remain cool, calm, collective. And we're able to express our needs and share why we have those needs. We're able to share how our disability or autism affects us and why we need accommodation. And number 3, we build connections. In Michigan right now, we have 3 to 4 inches of snow. It's just an inconvenience. Makes the roads slippery. But if I have millions upon millions of snowflakes and 4 feet of snow due to that, I can stop traffic. And with enough connections, I can change the way things are done. And finally, the honey badger builds a bridge of global impact. If I have enough connections, I'm able to change policies, able to change laws, and able to make the world a better place for people who are neurodivergent and people with disabilities. And some of the ways we can build bigger, better connections for a global impact and be an influencer is podcasts, sharing our stories on podcasts, sharing other people's stories. Number 2, articles, writing articles and sharing how our disability affects us and the needs that we have. We can advocate. And also speaking events. I speak to about 40,000 people a year on autism. And this enables me to have a global impact and change the way things are done. And finally, writing books. When we write books sharing about our disabilities, sharing about our needs and accommodation, people can read those books and understand the perspective we have. In my senior year of high school in 1995, I changed the way high school sports were done. I was 3 months past the age limit to compete in high school sports due to autism, and I went all the way to Cincinnati courts, and now anyone with a disability due to the Sanderson versus the Michigan High School Athletic Association case, which is an ADA case, in a non-contact sport is able to compete past the age limit. And it took advocacy, it took parents who advocated for me to help bring this change. And I want to encourage you to be like the honey badger, a fierce advocate and a force to be reckoned with, and build the 4 bridges of trust, communication, connections, and a platform for global impact and see the world transformed into a better place.